Okay, before you go into these this next practice activity, I felt 2 more examples might be quite helpful for you. So the first one here, 8 plus bracket 5 plus 7 squared. Going through our Bedmas, I'd write that on the top, but I don't really have the space. You can just keep that in mind. B, brackets, yes there are, so I'm looking at the brackets first. In the brackets, I do the same thing. Are there more brackets? No. Are there exponents? Yes. So 7 squared, remember, I'm just going to write down the bottom here, is like, or 7 to the 2 is like 7 times 7, 2 sevens. 7 times 7 equals 49, so I'm going to replace that. I'm rewriting. Always rewriting your steps. Now I'm looking, there's still things in the brackets. 5 plus 49 is 54. Rewriting. 8 plus 54 is 62. That's the first example I want you to be aware of. Should help you in the next activity. I'm going to show you one more example. So for this next example, it's a simple concept, but just so it doesn't confuse you, 7 plus bracket 8 plus bracket 10, and you'll see this little dot, 6 bracket bracket. What on earth does that little dot mean? It is just another way of indicating multiplication. So it is like having a times. So again, that little dot is another way of writing times. So now I'm going to solve this question. First thing, brackets. Yes, there's brackets within that, so I'm going to do that first. 10 times 6 is obviously 60. Rewriting. Within the brackets, 8 plus 60 is 68, sorry. Rewriting. And 7 plus 68 is 75. Thank you. Good luck.